Hey there! If your Roku TV is showing a black screen but you can still hear sound, this could be something simple you can fix right now, or it could be a hardware issue. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easy troubleshooting steps first, and if none of them work, stay until the end, because I'll explain the most likely hardware cause and what to do next. Before you spend big money on repairs, let's try these at home. First things first, unplug your Roku TV from the wall. Not for 5 seconds, not for 20, but for a full 60 seconds. This gives the electronics time to fully reset. Once the minute is up, plug it back in and turn it on. Still black? Let's keep going. Loose or faulty cables can cause this problem. Unplug and replug all HDMI and other video cables, both from the TV and the connected device, whether it's a cable box, streaming stick, or gaming console. Sometimes, just reseating the connection can fix the picture instantly. Use your remote to cycle through the TV's input sources. If one HDMI port is bad, another might work perfectly. Also, check the settings on your connected device. Some have display modes that could accidentally be switched off. It's rare, but a faulty wall outlet can make your TV misbehave. Try plugging the TV into a different outlet, preferably in another part of the room or on a different circuit. Still black screen. Finally, let's check if it's your TV's backlight. Grab a flashlight and shine it directly on the screen. Look closely. If you see faint images or shadows, your backlight is likely the problem. This is a hardware issue and will require professional repair or replacement. Or you can watch other videos how to change backlight. So if none of these steps brought your picture back, the most probable cause is a failed backlight or another internal hardware issue. At that point, contacting Roku support or a trusted TV repair technician is your best move.